In recent years, the field of generative artificial intelligence has made significant progress, producing outcomes that contribute meaningful value to society. Despite perceptions of reaching its pinnacle, we are excited to showcase a project that will defy this notion. It explores human-AI collaboration for scientific exploration, driven by the ambition to leverage generative AI for creating digital artifacts that blend creativity with real-world applicability. Introducing Horizon, a series of vehicles that explores the future of the automotive industry powered by GenAI. These models are the results of an evolutionary process, harnessing cross-domain learning in creativity and physics. From aerodynamically optimized vehicles with minimal drag, to streamlined designs maximizing energy efficiency, and innovations integrating cutting-edge technologies. Imagine vehicles inspired by biomimicry, such as a bird in mid-flight for superior lift, or unconventional shapes that redefine automotive design concepts. Each design not only satisfies visual preferences, but also considers engineering criteria, a representation of human-AI scientific discovery, leading to designs that stretches our imagination of what is possible. Translating the Horizon series into tangible 3D objects presented significant challenges. The process began with optimizing each model for printability, ensuring seamless surfaces and structural integrity. The models were then printed at varying resolutions and orientations, utilizing materials like fused deposition modeling and stereolithography. These experimentations resulted in prints that balanced surface quality, efficient material use, and production time. The final step involved careful polishing so as to preserve intricate details. All these efforts results in tangible models that faithfully replicate the shape and textures of the digital artifacts. The pace of development in the field of GenAI is rapidly accelerating and shows no signs of slowing down. Soon, AI-generated outcomes will go beyond creative boundaries, finding applications across various domains. Horizon, our project, represents just one of many discoveries emerging from this evolution. As we enter this new era of human-AI collaboration, the opportunities are vast. The question remains, what will you uncover with GenAI?